Hi, welcome to my channel about electronics, embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. The focus of this video is my walking robot Mirft2, made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller, running embedded Linux and programmed in Python. Last time I added a kind of cloth to make the friction between the leg and the underground bigger, like the front leg. And yet it didn't work properly. So first thing to check is the gears, and I hope the lighting is good enough for you to see. And then it turns out that this is not aligned. This one is, except this one. So I need a better alignment of this gear. Now it is. That means that this one should work properly again. And then, of course, applying more cloth to the other legs, which will be a problem with the middle leg since that one is shorter. But it should improve the walking anyway. Another thing that last time appeared is with these lamps indicating the activation of each motor. And that was something that gave a surprise, because I expected all left lamps to be deactivated, but instead it was the front legs only. So there's a mystery to solve. And after this introduction, let me put it on the floor and see how things work out. And in order to show you everything with walking and output, I of course have to switch to screencast. So let's check if everything is in working order. That is 82 and that is 80, so I'm afraid the batteries won't last that long. They were fully charged, so I'm not sure why they are not on full capacity. Let's try to run anyway. Connecting once again, full speed, well, more or less speed, and there it goes. It goes blank. So that means that indeed the battery voltage is not optimal. I'll measure them to see if that was indeed correct. Multimeter set to volts, 30 volts maximum scale, and this shows that the battery voltage is 9 volts. And then we take the other one. And this shows the battery voltage is once again 9 to 10 volts. Is it that critical? No, it should not be that critical. So I am going to power it on again, because this is not usual. I do have another battery pack ready, but not two of them. Anyway, let's see how this works out. If it works out anyway. The power is restored, but the question now is, what does it tell? Not that better, but I have to sign into these terminals once again. But also running does take power, and there are two battery packs for a good reason. So I'm afraid that when I say run, or walk anyway, that it goes power off again. We'll see. Go. And power, speed, and there it goes again. Alright. Simply means that either I adapt the connect it to the mains to 20 volts, or I recharge the battery pack. So now I am using the AC adapter interface, which means that I'm running from the mains, not from the battery packs. And you can see by the connectors being out that the batteries are not even connected. So now let's see what happens this time. A little bit of waiting. And not all motors are effective. And that's strange. I hear them that they want to do something, but the front motors are not being activated in any way. And that's the end of the algorithm. And this is very strange. Why don't the front motors work? I checked the gears, they were fine. And another thing is, of course, this is 9 volts. Now these are nominal 8.4 volts, but also when they are freshly charged they are 9 volts. And why do I use 2 battery packs? Because 1 battery pack is not enough for this robot. So that may explain that 1 power adapter may not be enough. Something I didn't think of earlier, but let's give it one more try and then I'll have to recharge the battery packs. Right, let's make it 500. See, big difference. Does it walk? Well, sideways. And now you see here that these 2 lamps are not running and these 2 were in the end. So that means that I have to apply more sockets and see what happens then. And of course the power had gone off again on the interface, so everything reset and let's go. Waiting for the connection. And a lot of gear noise. And a total, well, diversion to the left. And also there's wire getting stuck. And once again, with the lamps, these giving out first, these last, still on. And now I'm very curious what happened with the lower gears. So let me have a quick look. Are they still aligned? Aligned, yes, 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 and yes. And I should show you here. Yes, aligned, 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 aligned. Except that this one is not aligned. So that's a part of the frame which I had to correct. Here one is as well, but that's not that important. What is important, however, is why is the rattling sound so dominantly present? I don't like that at all. It does walk, yes. Does it walk in a straight line? Nowhere near. So, what is the end conclusion of this experiment? I'm not even quite sure. Oh, yeah, right. Let me not forget to check the images that the camera has taken. This front camera, that is. So, before ending this video, let me do that. This is one of the, this is the image that I want to start with. Copy and then display. Paste. There you go. This is the normal one. And then TXT result is the one that I want to have. Oh, wait, of course, obviously. Ampersand. And that was the image with everything blackened out except for red, so this looks quite nice. But that's not the only image, obviously. Here's another one. That's on a bigger distance, so this is with the start, and this one is after that version, obviously. Quite a nice result. So I may be happy with that one. I'm not so happy with the walking, but that's clear. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. Please see my website for more projects and more information listed under the video. This is going to be continued, obviously. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.